Everywhere you look, people are talking about making more money. But most of them either chase trends or they burn out before results ever show up.
It's not that people are lazy, they're drained. Working jobs that take every ounce of focus before they can ever build something for themselves. They want freedom, but everything online looks confusing. Funnels, ads, all these moving parts. That's why affiliate marketing gets overlooked. It's too simple.
And we live in a world that glorifies complexity. Here's the truth. You don't need to invent anything. You don't need to start from scratch. You just plug into systems that already work and learn how to position them online. When you buy the resale rights to a digital product or subscription, you're not just getting access, you're getting education. You learn how to build your own websites, automate your sales pages, and set up evergreen systems that work while you sleep.
People can find your page, click it, and purchase anytime, any day from anywhere in the world. That's the kind of leverage that changes everything.
Here's how it works. You're already posting online. You're already sharing what you like, what you use, what you believe in. Affiliate marketing just lets you do that with intention. Each post becomes a digital seed. That seed points people towards something that helps them and pays you for it. The company handles the heavy lifting, checkout, fulfillment, support. You focus on being visible. Because the more eyes on your content, the more opportunities you create. And when you're earning up to 80% commission per sale, you don't need thousands of buyers, just consistency. A few weekly sales can completely change your income story. Let me show you what that looks like. Inside our community, you'll see people from all walks of life, parents, students, 9-to-5ers, learning these skills through our premium coaching and making weekly sales that once felt out of reach. One member, a full-time dad, made his first sale in less than a week. Not because he's a tech genius, but because he followed the same steps you're hearing right now. They're learning, earning, and building all at once. And that's the beauty of it. While you're earning, you're also learning how the internet works. You're building digital assets, pages, systems, and skills that can sell anything you want later. Whether you launch your own brand or just keep offering tools that help people, you're mastering something that can never be taken away from you. So if you really think about it, you're learning, earning, and building all at once. That's what makes this model so powerful. It's not just money, it's momentum. So yeah, most people overcomplicate what's simple, but once you understand how digital marketing really works, you'll realize freedom was sitting right inside your phone the whole time. You don't have to wait for permission. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Just start learning, start posting, start owning your income. Because this isn't about chasing another side hustle. It's about finally building something that works for you.